I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the air fryer from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, Ninja AF101 Air Fryer that crisps, roasts, reheats, and dehydrates. Founded in 2008, Ninja is a US-based brand that manufactures innovative kitchen appliances, including ovens, grills, cookers, blenders, and coffee makers. Their Ninja Air Fryer is one of the best air fryers in the market. Features: if you want to enjoy tasty food with up to 75% less fat, then the Ninja Air Fryer is perfect for the job. Not only does it air fry your favorite snacks, but it can also roast, reheat, and dehydrate meals. These 4 programmable options are displayed on the one-touch LED control panel. Here, you can also set your desired cooking temperature between 105 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and program the time required for your dish. Meanwhile, the LED screen will display the temperature on the user-friendly interface. Besides this, the 4-quart ceramic-coated basket can fit almost 2 pounds of fries for you and your family. Convection heat currents will make sure that you get crispy, crunchy food every time. For dehydration, the air fryer gently removes any water by using a combination of low temperature and low fan speed, giving you flat, chip-like food. Moreover, you need to preheat the appliance for only 3 minutes to achieve the best possible result. If all this was not enough, the compact, durable air fryer is quite easy to clean. Since accessories like the multi-layer rack, basket, and crisper plate are dishwasher-friendly, it will be a breeze to clean up after your cooking. Pros: efficient, compact size, intuitive control panel, ample cooking space, dishwasher-safe parts, 4 programmable settings, wide temperature range. Cons: gives off a rubber or plastic smell. No extra features. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.